Hi, and welcome to another Blender how-to video. So today I'm going to show you how to enable normals. The reason we want to see the normals is because it's what do you call it? It's useful when we're like extruding stuff. Let's go to first. Let's learn how to display them first. Viewport overlays, and here's the normals right here. And then you can have different options. So this will just give you kind of like the vertice summation of the normal, where the face or that angle should be going. Then we have like XYZ, and then we have the face, kind of like the face is normal. This is the sum of the face of this is the face's normal summation, so that's why it's like that, like just going straight at it here from the pinpoint right here. So let's select one face and then move it, right? As you can see, the angles, the normals are changing. It's based on the sum of where the faces are pointing. So just anyway, so we're gonna do, let's go Control C. So this is a normal key, right? If we extrude this and we're extruding with normals, along normals, it'll go, oh, sorry, per se, okay, it'll just go out like that. And if you want that cube thing to go away, press S. But anyway, so yeah, it'll go out like this. And let's see, if we change G and move it like that, once we do the extrusion along the normals, you'll see that everything here that's moving or extruding will follow that path. So like that. See, that's cool. And then we're gonna break this apart so you can see a little more. X-ray mode. Faces. See, so it's pointing this way, but it's based on this right here as well, so it's all matching. Hope that helps. It's just a way to visualize the extrusion along the normals, but I'm sure there's other ways or other reasons why we have it.